Hey there! Did you know that nearly 40% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency expense? That's a shocking statistic, right? It really highlights how crucial it is to have a solid savings plan in place. But what if I told you that you could save $10,000 in just 6 months? Sounds like a big goal, but trust me, it's totally achievable with the right strategy. Today I'm going to walk you through a practical plan that can make this happen. Let's dive into the reality of saving money. Many of us face common financial hurdles that hold us back. Overspending is a huge one. You know how it is. Those little purchases add up, whether it's that daily coffee run or those impulse buys online. And then there's the lack of budgeting. Without a clear budget, it's like driving without a map. You have no idea where your money's going. Plus, some people just don't prioritize saving, thinking it's not possible with their current income. But guess what? It's not about how much you make. It's about how you manage what you have. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this savings plan. First up, budgeting techniques. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Every dollar counts. Once you know where your money is going, create a budget that aligns with your savings goals. Next, let's talk about cutting unnecessary expenses. Do you really need that subscription you barely use? Or that takeout you order too often? These small changes can lead to big savings over time. And don't forget about setting clear savings goals. Break that $10,000 down into manageable chunks. Aim to save about $1,667 a month. Sounds less daunting, right? All right, here's the game changer, the 50-30-20 rule. This strategy can really turbocharge your savings. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. This way, you're not just saving aggressively, but also enjoying your money. This balance is key. If you stick to this rule and really commit to your savings, you'll see how quickly that $10,000 can add up. So, are you ready to take control of your finances and start saving? With a little discipline and the right approach, you can reach that goal in no time. Let's make those savings dreams a reality.